again. This is step. This is check number 2 because the microphone didn't work. Right now looks like it's working. We're gonna come back a little bit again about my story, why I'm doing this stuff for myself to get out of the comfortable zone. Just one video a day, it's a little bit maybe on the beginning overwhelming, and it is. Right now, today I want to create the list for at least months, the topics at least, that I'll be able to wake up and do those videos early in the morning. That other day I'll have not rest, do my other stuff. Yes, this is the goal. Like I said, for me personally, I want to just prove that consistency or creativity on the beginning, because we have to focus more just to doing a little bit more, and then about quality. This is my opinion. I think on the beginning we have to think about quality, and then quality and then quantity. Quantity in the beginning, then quality, whatever. And for me, it's really uncomfortable. I was thinking about the YouTube, and I had a YouTube channel like 3 years ago or something about the cable, about my job, and it's so funny, yeah. But right now, I just try to create the YouTube channel. I mean, for me, it's like kind of fun, and I want to do this in the future. That's why we'll see, and really one of the way. Very quick about myself. My name is Sergey. Originally I was born in Ukraine, moved to United States 5 years ago, I think 5.5, like a student, to Colorado. Then decided to stay. After summer, I moved to Chicago. I found a cable internet provider, like Xfinity, Comcast. I've been working for 3.5 years. But I didn't work in one state. I've been working, 3-4 months, different state. 3-4 months, the same job, just different states. Been working for 3.5 years. Been working really hard, saving money a lot. That's why I decided, in 2019. I think it was February or something. I decided to quit from my job, move from New York to Houston, Texas, and start looking for some jobs, how I can make money online, affiliate marketing, some other stuff. And then I found some dropshipping videos from the Christopher Waller, bought his course, by the way, Christopher Waller. Decided to join the group for $29 per month. Been working, testing so hard, and 9 months didn't have any results, usually like 1 or 2 sales, that's it. Was a little bit frustrated, honestly, and almost gave up, but in 2020 in January, the Christopher died, and I was like everything shaked. And I remember that we have admin, customer support in the group, Max. And I remember he just kind of sent me, I don't know how, because I had an issue with the Facebook and they banned my profile completely. Nobody could reach me, and I don't know how. I think through the email, the Max sent me the email, say, hey, do you know what happened to Christopher? I said no, and he told me he died, and I couldn't believe. Then we just had some chit chat through the email, and I said I had issues with ad account. I don't know how to do this because I tried to create a new phone, buy new phones, new SIM cards, different Wi-Fi, different routers. Every time the Facebook kind of banned me, trigger me, and just block my accounts. Then he created the Facebook account from his computer, gave me the access, and then it started working. I was able to log into the Facebook and just get those information about Chris. And honestly, was kind of shocked, and I think, okay, let me know. I was overwhelmed, and I had a chance to let me just keep trying, and at least for a couple times, and see. And then I think I put it in a group. We had a private chat from this group, and I think I sent the message in a group and in a chat, say, hey guys, really I feel that I need help. I wanted to partner up, and this is where the breakthrough was. When we partner up with Dave from Australia, I think our second product was a winner. We started being profitable, and I think on the first month we've sold on $10,000 per month. And and then what happened? Then he didn't. I mean, the situation was I've been doing 90% of the job. I mean, everything ads and everything. He didn't have enough time. He had a job, and that's why it was happening like this. What happened then? In a month, we partner up for the month. I said, let's just partner up for the month. Let's just grow together faster. We can test the products and all this kind of stuff. Just and split the profit and we can just learn faster. You can just split the profits, expenses, and just in general, to have a talk about the same product, about the same store. Just honestly, and it's exactly 1 + 1 = 11. What worked for me personally. After this, after the months, he didn't have money and time to keep going, and honestly, I was kind of shocked. But likely, I found, like, in next day, I think I found another product tested that night, and also I got the sales. It was exactly the coronavirus, all this kind of crazy stuff. The CPM so low, the click rate so high, all this crazy, because most of the people stop advertising, and that's why all this stuff, I think everything becomes so cheap. After this, what happened, I think I scaled this product to $70,000 per month. The profit was I think around like 20 or 30,000. Then the product started go down, and then the Christopher student, one of the most successful students, Oreo, in his group, you reach him out, like, for personal call, just pay him whatever, $200-300 for 30 minutes. Had a conversation, explained what situation. He said, hey, like, I'm offering the one-on-one, do you want? I said, I don't know. And then we have another call, and just he said, okay, it's this amount. Then I pay, I decided, I make this money, but definitely this dude, he knows what he's talking about. Let just me try. It was like a mentorship for 2 months. I took it, and we've been working. I think then we found. I found even the third product. Also scaled this for like $100,000 per month. Then again went down, and this is where I got depressed a little bit. It's like it was like then I moved from Houston to Florida, and this is what happened to me then. Like, do you see, like, all this craziness in general when I just start remembering this stuff? Then I had like kind of really depression, and then I started doing some video live calls on Facebook, and then this is where we partner up with Naradi, again from Christopher Group, and then start working together, start testing together, and honestly, like, in 2 weeks, I think we found winning product, scale this product to like $400,000 in like 40 days or something. Then we had an issue with copywriting something, the domain copywriting domain problem, and honestly, it like really hits like mentally. I mean, definitely, we have to understand when potentially this is what's gonna happen. It's not gonna be sustainable. Like, potentially, it's gonna be higher profits, but it's gonna be spikes like this. It's gonna be spikes like this, because on a dropshipping, usually products die really fast. Right now it's possible when you're gonna put the logo and your product gonna be a little bit evergreen, that you'll be able to sell a little bit more, and if you'll be able to utilize the email marketing early, then you can just remarket, you can just sell a little bit more. It's possible to be a little bit consistent, but I think consistency in this business also like a little bit low. But after this, I had like also like 1 or 2 products, just I scaled for like $50,000 or $60,000 per month, I think. And after this, it was again COVID in my country, and my parents get COVID, and all this kind of craziness. Like, again, I get depression, some mental health, and this is exactly what I just came out from. I think I'm still a little bit just getting out of this whole situation, and bought the mentorship from the Justin Wall, and this is already 1 month there, and just preparing everything for testing the products. And this is the main idea of this channel, what I wanted to show and capture my movement, progression, and share with you guys at the same time. This is, like I said, this is my second video. Don't expect any good quality, just I wanted to be a little bit honest, transparent, and just give a little bit background about myself. It will be interesting to see those videos like in 6 months, in a year. But for now, so far, that's it. I think I'm gonna prepare some topics for the next week. It will be a little bit more organized. Anyway, guys, hope you have a great and productive day. See you tomorrow. Bye.